She was nice when I first got in school. She said, "What is your name? I like your eyes," and like that. And she gave me a book and she read it to me, and I have to read it to her.
To be quite honest with you, it did feel alienating at first as I was growing up, because I remember in preschool, it was hard for me to talk to kids because they never knew what I was saying.
El primer día fue muy estresante, más que nada estaba asustada y después tenía mi horario y no sabía dónde ir, no encontraba mi salón.
The first day I felt so scared, like what's gonna happen? I don't know English.
Back in the day, my first day of school was actually by myself. I was shy. I was scared. I was scared because I don't have anyone to talk to tell my teacher. And at that time, I don't have friends to talk to. And my sister at school speaks Swahili, so my teacher helped me a lot because he made me speak English and talk to me to English so I can speak back to her. But
I was lonely and no one was talking to me. And then there was a girl, she said, "Hey," and I was like, "Hi." And she said, "Do you want to be my friend?" I said, "Yeah, sure." And then in lunchtime, she told me, if you eat, you'll feel better. And then I ate and I felt better.
Llegué tarde a mi primera clase, que era inglés para extranjeros. Cuando entré, miré a muchos estudiantes de diferentes países también, porque había personas de China, Japón. Entonces no me sentí tan mal en ese momento, pero después cuando fui a mis demás clases sí fue como aterrador, la verdad, porque no sabía ni qué decir. Me hacían presentarme y yo no sabía nada y sí, fue mal.
My first day, I was excited and nervous because I didn't know anything, so I didn't want to ask anything. If I mess up, I think everybody gonna laugh at me.
İlk günde okulda tabii ki de bayağı kötü geçti. Şöyle kötü geçti, ilk önce dilini bilmiyorsun. Sonra konuştukları şeyi anlamıyorsun. Böyle kafan bayağı bir karışıyor. Ondan sonra böyle yani tanımadığın insanların bir de böyle yabancı konuştuklarını hani görüyorsun, bayağı çıldırıyor insan. Bir de yani çok zor, gerçekten dilini bilmemek çok zor.
Because I always arrived to school early, and then I was there outside of my classroom. It was like a portable, like for English second language class. And then there was like other students, and I asked them, is this here? And then I showed them my schedule, and they're like, yeah. So I waited, and then I pretty much don't know anything the teacher's saying, and I just sit there. And then I go to another classroom, and then after 7th period, I went home. I was trying to pay attention, but I don't really understand anything.
so when you first come to America, you can see like you are lonely because no one is around you.
The first year I get here, it was horrible for me. I mean, I cry, so because I miss my dad. And
I think this teacher really changed me. He's really funny and then understanding too, even though I get B's or like A- in this class. He's still like really nice to me, and then he told me all kinds of jokes. And
As my English improved, I started making a lot more friends. And then it was really cool because my parents would come like visit me and they would talk in Gujarati, so I'd respond with them in Gujarati. And many of my friends would be like, "Oh wow, what is that language?" And I would like tell them about it, and they'd be so interested, which is like great.
he introduced me to his like card playing club, which is like playing Magic the Gathering. And then like by playing the cards, like it kind of forced me to learn the words so I can have a better understanding about English. That's pretty much how I learned English, like by playing games, watching movies.
The APS is the good school actually because help people from around the world to know English.
So I remember once in 2nd grade, I had henna done, which is a cultural thing that we do. And a lot of the kids were like, "Oh my God, what is that?" And I was scared to tell the kids because I was afraid of like being made fun of because I was always alienated. But my teacher explained to the class that, oh, it's a cultural thing and it's very cool and like, you can make really pretty patterns. And then so all the girls were like, oh my God, it's so cool. Like, can we get that done with you? And that was really nice because like I felt like I was socializing and it was really rewarding.
Because of my parents' language problem, in my middle school, they actually brought 2 Chinese translators from APS to translate for my parents, and I really appreciate that. And then for my high school, one time they put all the teachers together and the counselors, and then like we had a meeting together. And then they made sure that my parents understood.
So when I was asking for help, she was like asking some different question, or maybe like something we learned but I don't remember. It was confusing me out and she used to get mad.
I have my hijab on, so they like talk about me because I'm different of them.
How does that feel?
It feels bad.
Bueno, yo creí que mi primer día iba a ser muchos amigos y que iba a ser un día alegre, pues conocer nuevas personas y voy a aprender un nuevo idioma.
When I tried to speak back to her, the word was not coming out. If I know in my language, but to say in English was so hard.
It feels bad because, like, I don't want them to talk about me. I don't want to be like their friends, but in the same time, like, I want them like to be, like, to just talk with me.
Science, 7th grade class, I was using my phone to translate, but I was using under the desk, so she doesn't come. But she still called me and she gave me a warning to not use it again. But I didn't understand English to tell her that I was using Google Translate. So next time, she took it.
Ve bundan çok zorlanıyorum ve tabii ki de benimle ilgilenmelerini çok istiyorum. Yani o anlattığı şeyi keşke bana da gelip söylese ki ben şöyle böyle söyledim, böyle yaptım diye gibisi. Ama mesela benimle ilgilenmelerini çok istiyorum. Yani tabii ki de ilgilensinler. Çünkü eğer ilgilenmese, eğer bir şeyi mesela anlatmasa, demese ki ben şöyle dedim, böyle dedim. Yani bence bu çok kötü bir şey olur yani.
I translate them, but I don't understand to it. And then they just read it for me and they tell me go sit.
There's no one who around the neighborhood don't talk to us because American people like to stay inside of their house all the time. So
It was like a 6th grade teacher. It was math teacher. He was like, when we get in there, he told us to go to the computer and not do anything. And I feel bad and I feel like I'm not in school because I want to work with the other kids.
We just want to learn what the other students they learn. We don't want to learn like stuff we already like know and like easy. So when we in college, like we know like enough stuff.
I want a teacher when I get in class like to smile at me and like and be happy like I'm there and come talk to me.
Like to explain more and really how it is and show us an example. Like about like a homework and show example.
They need help and they don't understand. You should like don't get mad at them easily that they don't understand what you already taught them. You should help them more to learn it.
Kenye naweza mwambia aje teacher? Naweza mwambia tu kama huko mwingine mwanafunzi mwenye ana speak language yenyewe na anajua amuite aende msaidia mambo yote anafanya.
So I would say just to make the student feel more welcome. So just talking about more languages and cultures would be very beneficial, especially at that young age, so they can become aware and, you know, make other students feel welcome about that.
We are APS.
Somos APS.
Uri, APS.
احنا من المدارس العامة.
We are APS.
We are APS.